What if your Windows PC could block dangerous apps before even run them? No pop-ups, no confusion, just silent protection. That's exactly what Smart App Control is. Smart App Control is a security feature built in Windows Security, Windows Defender. It uses the real-time intelligence. Yes, and it in the cloud to decide is if the app is safe or not, or if it's sketchy. Think of it as a digital gatekeeper that blocks suspicious or unsigned apps before they can run. Especially useful if you download software from outside the Microsoft Store. I can tell it is a game changer. Here is why, because most of the people do not realize, but malware doesn't always look like malware. A free tool, even a browser plugin could carry some hidden threats. So this smart app control stop these apps before they execute, especially if they are unknown, untrusted, or unassigned. And the best part is it evaluates your app's behavior in a special evaluation mode. Only fully activates if it's decide you're a good fit. That's right. It studies you become more effective. So the only thing here is if you turn it on, or even if you select evaluation, and by any chance, if you turn it off, it can't be turned on without reinstalling Windows. So you might regret, turning off. Right. So what you can do is you can use the evaluation mode or the turn on the smart mode, smart app control mode. Now the evaluation is also great as I told you. It will learn if it can help protect you without getting in your way too much. If so, it will automatically be turned on. Otherwise, it will automatically be turned off. This is really good as far as the evaluation is concerned. And who wants the extreme protection can go and turn it on like this. So, what is your take in this? Do you think this smart app control is a game changer, especially in Windows security? Do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.